Welcome back, Sketchlab friends. Well, today this isn't just a milkshake, it's a rainbow cloud explosion with Cinnamoroll on top. Well, let's draw the sweetest drink in the sky. So this is going to be the shape of Cinnamoroll's head. Now I'm just going to connect those two lines now. Curve a line up a little bit. And I can also connect these two. So that's the shape that we're going for. So you can see those lines that curve to the left and the right kind of created those little cheeks. And this is going to be the whipped cream on top. So we're going to draw this line that kind of looks like a shark's fin up top. And on the right hand side, look at this. I'm going to curve a line to the right. And once again, curve a line to the right. And on this side, I'm going to curve a line to the left. These lines are curving down, so now we have overlapping. It's going over the forehead of Cinnamoroll. I'm going to go ahead and erase out those construction lines. So you might want to draw lightly. It's easier to erase. All right, this is going to be our first ear. Now I'm going to once again erase off some construction lines. So I want the ear to be in front of the whipped cream, so I'll also fix that in a little bit. Well, I want to thank you so much for joining me today. Cinnamoroll just turned out fantastic. So now we have our other ear. And you can see we also have a little bit of, once again, a little bit of overlapping. It's a fun thing about drawing these characters. There's a simplicity to them. Their proportions are so important. And when we do our job right, they turn out so adorable. They're almost too cute to eat. These are going to be their little rosy cheeks. I added a little cross contour lines, curving across there. The whipped cream makes it a little bit more 3D. And then we're going to add on the mouth. These two lines that curve down. And then now we're going to draw one more line. So Cinnamoroll's mouth will be open today. Drawing a little bit of line of a body. Maybe just a little bit more over here. Now we're curving out the top of our milkshake. These ones are going to curve out to the left. So this is going to be a little arm. And look how cute it is. Cinnamoroll's waving at us. And now we're going to curve a line to the left. Now we're going to start curving these lines down. So it's kind of like this milkshake cloud that Cinnamoroll is on top of. This wonderful rainbow milkshake today. It's so much fun to do. Okay, we're going to draw the shape of the glass. And it's always good to stand back from your artwork. You see the difference between when we were close up and then we stand back from our work, we can really check out and make adjustments as needed. We're off to a wonderful start. We're going to add a little bit of thickness to this glass. Awesome. So I'm curious, would you rather have me draw like this the entire time, where you can see the entire paper? Or do you like it zoomed in? So this is going to be the straw. And thank goodness it is not going through the forehead of Cinnamoroll. Crisis averted. And then we can draw these little stripes across our straw. So this is what I was talking about. Do you guys like it when we get to zoom in? Yeah, now depending on what you're watching on, I know mobile devices you can zoom in on. I'm assuming with tablets you can too. So I want you to check out the outline on the left-hand side, and then we're going to get ready to color. So we're using one value right here, light blue today, to create the shadows on the whipped cream, on these wonderful milkshake cloud that Cinnamoroll is on top of. Just one color. And then we're going to use two colors as value here. So I have, for instance, pink, and then, or light pink, and then I'll be using dark pink. Now with the yellow, I've got the yellow ochre. And as you can see, I'm using the darker colors to help me create a little bit of value on the right-hand side of the glass. And just that little bit of value today, super 3D, super simplistic, and look at the effect we got. Wow. Well, I'll catch you in the next video, guys. Bye.